Hi, welcome to Arki Makani. We are going to unbox a product RGB LED soft ring light which cost around 1300 Indian rupees from Amazon Marketplace. These are the features that is mentioned in this box: stepless dimming, soft light, free spin and stepless dimming. And these are the features, other features. You can see it from the video directly. So the package is really fine, and that stand is along with this package light. We got a 100 rupees cash back along with this package, and overall it looks good. And this is the button panel. The quality is good, and this is that USB input power. This is a light which is the build quality is pretty good. Overall looks fine for me. This is the stand. It is almost sturdy, and see there is no bush the bottom side, but it's also fine, okay, for it stand independently without any support. It is good. We can adjust the height and other adjustment here with this screws. That the quality is also good. And this is a mount of the light, that is we can rotate in any direction. The quality is also good. See, this is that light. Let's switch on this. Let's see how it looks. Wow, this is nice. This is a basic white light. Let's see other options. Wow, see the difference. This is RGB light modes. So many other modes there. All these modes are very stunning, really nice. See how it looks. Wow, really amazing. Nice. We can create any kind of color over here. Really nice. See, it is rotating. We can also adjust the speed and the color. Really nice. You can create different styles and just create a totally different color ambience. See, look at this. Really nice. See, it's a blinking mode, and we can also use the plain colors. We can switch it to any RGB colors. We can also adjust the intensity of each mode, and I am totally fine with this product. Thank you.